all kinds of sheer driving pleasure. Your BMW operating system makes up your user experience in the car and the interface to control it. In different BMW model series and generations, you find different BMW operating system versions. Let's get an overview. A timeless classic, BMW Operating System 7 displays its graphically reduced screen design on a separate central information display. And the BMW controller gives you the most comprehensive handling of its strictly column-based menu layout. Use the conventional buttons to control most common vehicle functions. One giant leap for vehicle interaction. BMW Operating System 8 is the first BMW user interface on the continuous BMW curved display. Use unlimited touch control for its vertical home screen and menu layout. Stay in touch. BMW Operating System 8.5 and BMW Operating System 9 come in different BMW models and are not interchangeable or upgradable with each other. You can recognize them by their intuitive Quick Select overview on the smaller or wider BMW curved display. Both systems offer intuitive touch control through the widgets. A full home screen background showing the BMW Maps navigation, for example, and a continuous menu structure in the apps. Make it your own. Configure or upgrade the features of BMW Operating System 8.5 in separate connected drive option packages. In BMW Operating System 9, your digital BMW experience can only be advanced in one go with an optional BMW Digital Premium subscription. Stay connected and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.